Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CAT S53 and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So I'd like to show you two different ways to block a number. First of all, we will block a number which is currently saved on your device in your contact list, and the second way is by using kind of the settings in which you will be able to enter the number manually. So let's start with your contact list, find it, open it, find the contact you'd like to block and tap on it, and then tap on the 3 icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on block numbers and confirm it. And as you can see, from now on, your device will block all incoming calls and messages from this number. You've got this characteristic icon, so you can know that this number is blocked. Of course, if you want, you can unblock it the same way, just by tapping on unblock numbers, but let me leave it like this. We will check if it will actually appear on the blacklist. So the second way of blocking the number, I said it is quite manual, so you do not have to have the number saved. And it doesn't really matter if it will be on the contacts, recents or the favorites. Just tap on the 3 icon in the right upper corner and enter the settings. Then let's tap on blocked numbers, and as you can see, this is our blacklist. That's the number we blocked from our contacts, so everything went fine. The previous method also works. And here I said that you will be able to block a number manually, which simply means that you can tap on add a number, and here you can freely enter it. So you can of course enter it on the keypad, or you can paste it if you've got it copied. Let's tap on block, and it will immediately appear on the blacklist. What is more, we've got this unknown option. You can turn it on or off just by using the switcher, and it simply means that your device will be allowed to block the calls from all unidentified callers. It may be useful, but not always really. You can also unblock the numbers just by tapping on this X button right next to them. Alright, so that would be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.